A mistake, problem, or responsibility for something bad that happened. Fault. Fault. Sometimes we make mistakes, and we need to accept when something is our fault. For example, if you forget to do your homework, it is your fault. However, not every problem is our fault, so it is important to understand what really happened.